Give me the worm. Give me the worm. Oh my goodness, but we gotta go. We gotta go. We got a 500-mile road trip today. Come on, dude. We're taking the Ferrari 458 to Great Basin National Park, Las Vegas, Nevada, and Monterey, California. I don't know what Berlacher is up to, but based off quick analysis, the Ford Raptor's been torn apart, and I would reckon he has no idea what he's doing. You have the Sawzall right there, you got the table saw over there, and you have a longboard sitting underneath the truck. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So we are driving the Ferrari 458 off to Las Vegas, Nevada today via the dry lake bed because of course I want to test the top speed on the Ferrari. My personal record on the lake bed is 173 in the C8 Corvette, and that was absolutely terrifying. Now a quick Wikipedia search, this car will do 210 miles an hour. We're not even gonna come close to that today. We only have 2.5 miles of runway and we're in the dirt, so the car's gonna sink down, hunker down, but I mean, I'm gonna try my best. Wow, that was really lame. I deserve a gold star. Now the plan is to do about 500 miles to Las Vegas today, then we're headed off to Monterey tomorrow. It's gonna be like a 4 or 5 day road trip in a Ferrari. Should be interesting. I'm still trying to figure out what color to wrap the Ferrari. This blue or red look incredible. I don't want to send any subliminal messages, but this last color wouldn't look so... Okay, I know I'm a loser. I said I wouldn't wrap it purple. I want to wrap it purple. I'm not going to, but I want to. I miss you so much. Be good for Berlacher, okay? Yeah, you're the best roof there ever was. Before we get on the road to Vegas, a quick message from today's video sponsor. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the single best ways to secure your online identity and protect your internet traffic. A VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, encrypts your internet traffic from one location to another, making your information untrackable, especially when you're on a public Wi-Fi, like at a hotel, an airport, or a coffee shop. NordVPN can connect up to 6 devices simultaneously, including your cell phone. And their security suite actually acts as an ad blocker. They don't do any data logging, and they use double data encryption to ensure that the user remains completely anonymous. And check this out, NordVPN even allows you to access entertainment platforms like Netflix from anywhere in the entire world, even in China. NordVPN has super fast servers with over 5,500 located in 60 countries around the world. They have 24/7 support and they provide a 30-day money-back guarantee. All you have to do is check out the link below to nordvpn.com/TheStradman for 70% off, boys. 70% off. That equates to $3.49 a month. You can also simply use my coupon code TheStradman, but check out the link below, nordvpn.com/TheStradman. Nope, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Somebody buy it. Please buy it. I couldn't help it. Somebody. Oh, brakes, brakes. Oh! Such a nice day here in Utah, boys. We're headed 2 hours that way to the West Desert, to the middle of absolute nowhere, Utah. This is not the Bonneville Salt Flats. If you know we're headed, keep your mouth shut, okay? This is my secret spot. Don't tell anybody. We should go that way. We're gonna go this way, but we definitely should be going, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm pretty sure the guys who engineered this road didn't design it for a Ferrari. I think that right there says it best. That is a representation of my very, very near future. We probably shouldn't have brought the Ferrari here. I need the front end lift. Okay, so I'm kind of sort of exaggerating, but at the same time, I'm kind of sort of not. We're going 9 miles an hour. This was a dumb idea. Do you ever wake up and realize you're an idiot? That happens to me nearly every single day. And just like that, we have arrived here to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America, boys. We're just out here chasing views on views. I'm kind of sort of getting kind of nervous. 173 in the C8 Corvette was terrifying. I'm hoping to eclipse that here in the Ferrari 458. It's midsummer though, it's 100 degrees. I feel like it hasn't rained out here in forever, and the clay feels softer than it did with the C8 Corvette. I'm not making excuses. I mean, I'm gonna plant my foot, never doubt, never lift, full send, but at the same time, we'll kind of sort of see. I wish I could convey to you guys how in the middle of nowhere we are. Like 100 miles that direction, there's nothing. 100 miles that way, there's nothing. 100 miles that way, there's nothing. Like if anything happens, we're kind of sort of on our own. Now, before we pursue top speed glory, I want to give you guys a couple data points. C8 Corvette 173, Toyota Supra 163, Audi R8 155, Focus RS 142, and the Jeep Gladiator I think was like 98 miles an hour. Something terrible, I'm not sure. So we're trying to set the new mark in the 458. We got the 4.5 liter V8, 536 horsepower. This car has the highest top speed. The C8 Corvette acceleration wise would just destroy this car. We're already very, very dirty. We're very, very dusty. Please wish me luck in the comments below. Here we go, boys. We're headed that direction to the start line. Obviously just doing some reconnaissance, making sure there's nothing unexpected out here on the desert floor. Let's see what we can do real quick. So we have about 2.5 miles. That's an easy 100 miles an hour, but I don't know if you guys can tell, like the whole car is just shaking and baking. The surface is not super even. It's 101 degrees out right now. We're gonna pop it into race mode. I am genuinely nervous right now. Like the surface is so uneven. 175 miles an hour, that's the goal. Obviously I'm not gonna go crazy. If I don't feel comfortable, like I'm tapping out because this is serious business. If you're a kid and if you're anybody, if you're an adult, if you're a kid, if you're a senior citizen and you're watching today's video, never try this at home. Or, well, I mean, you know what I mean. Here, don't try it here. The speedo's down here. That is 100 miles an hour. At 200 miles an hour, you cover one football field every single second. That is 125. Foot is to the floor, that's 131. We are flying right now, it's 151, 155. That is 160 miles an hour. Okay, oh my gosh, 161, baby. We are shaking and baking, 165. Come on, baby, 168, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175. I am off, I am on the brakes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh geez, I did not take the right direction. I was going off in no man's land. That is 175. The seal on the Ferrari is not very good. There is dust in here like crazy. 175. That was terrible. I did not take the right line right there. I was like, oh geez, okay. And on that bombshell, we're gonna do round two. We're back here at the start line for round two. That was 175 miles an hour. We're gonna let the engine cool down, let the tires cool down just a little bit. Here's the issue though. Start line's right here, so we need to proceed through that gap right there. You got the little round buttes over there. You have all the tumbleweeds over there. We have to hit that like perfectly dead center. On the last run, I was over there in the tumbleweeds, and so I had to hit the brakes early. The problem is the frame of reference is so difficult out here, and the car's just kind of sort of floating over the surface. You don't want to make any jerky movements, so it sounds easy in theory, but we want to hit that mark right, right somewhere in there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. We were gonna do round two. Oh, maybe we're good. I guess we're good. Okay, we're still gonna do round two. I just realized on round number one, we had the air conditioning on, so we're gonna have to shut that off, and hopefully we don't melt. We'll see. Bring it back to 155. That is 160 miles an hour. We're almost into 7th gear. Come on, baby. Let's go, 458. Oh, geez. We got little weeds right there. 166, 167, 168, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 175. That is 176, 177, 178. Okay, we're off, we're off, we're off. Gravel, oh geez, oh my gosh. Brakes, 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 brakes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I saw 178 indicated. We're finished. I am sweating profusely. I feel like a wet mop because the air conditioning is off. Come on, baby. Come on, turn on. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh. That was terrifying. Oh my goodness. That was terrifying. I wasn't planning to announce this right now. I think we're officially retiring the dry lake bed. Never again are we gonna bring a faster car than a 458. Like 178 that is stupid. That was like, we were just going like crazy. We hit the braking area at 178. We might bring slower cars out here again, but the PR has been set. The PR has been established. I'm not bringing the hypercar out here. It's not gonna happen. What an absolute monster though, 178 miles an hour in the 458 Spider. I can tell you, driving a Ferrari off-road isn't very fun. Jeez, I'm so stupid. We have officially made it to Nevada. The loneliest road in America, boys. Full send. We got 12 miles of open runway. Welcome to the Great Basin of Nevada. 20,000 right there. 20,000 miles on the 458 Spider, and we still have about 4 hours to Vegas. Dun, 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 the Shady Motel. Welcome to Caliente, Nevada. Oh, it's a long drive, boys. It's a boring drive. It's a nice Jeep, though. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I think we're good. We're good, boys. I was gonna say full send, but we're just gonna chill because the speed limit is 25 miles an hour. Look at this road. That is ridiculous. 12 miles of perfectly paved tarmac. I need to find the county sheriff here and have him close down the road when I get the hypercar. That's ridiculous. We have a blue Shelby Raptor right there. That color is sick. I love that I've rallied my Ferrari harder than him today, but I love the blue. Welcome here to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. It is 106 degrees Fahrenheit, so yeah. It's crazy to be here in Vegas during the pandemic. Like, it's not a complete ghost town, but for 7 p.m., it's pretty quiet. Welcome to the Aria Resort and Casino. We're looking for a couple V12s. Well, boys, I think we are in the right spot. Lambo Jesus' LP640 looks so sick. Okay, so I should have brought the Aventador, but I didn't. Alex's Murcielago is much cooler than my 458. It's also much cleaner, but you have to admit, at least I did a better job parking. Maybe. Check that out, boys. Very, very nice view here at the Aria. Compliments of F-Spot. He's actually comping my room, isn't that right? I'm pretty sure it is. So, boys, we did 178 miles an hour in the 458 Spider. We're never going back. We're never gonna, well, I said that, and then as I was driving around today, I was like, when the hypercar does arrive, it would be pretty epic. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.